Alright, camera died, so gonna be removing stuff. Alright, so all the stuff I buried behind here, I moved all this, pulled it back out, stuffed it over there, got everything down there, readjusted the shelf height to make room, took out that shelf so I can get this big heavy ass thing right here over there. So that's gonna be heavy, like everything else around here. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Except for that, that's aluminum. It's light. Alright, so I'm going to bury this behind the hone. Those rails I got to put back here that I'll never be able to get to for a while. Yeah, something I don't need. Alright, so this thing is definitely heavy. Let's see what we can do to get that thing out of here. Get it up over on that shelf. Hopefully the shelf don't break. Hopefully these blocks don't drop on my foot when I slide this out. There's all kinds of issues around here. Battery low. Alright, battery died. Okay, let's get this moved. Let's see here. Blocks are full of sliding. There we go. Good. Now I get to slide. Alright. One more big pile out of the way. Alright. That hurt. Might as well put some more weight over here. Looking kind of light. Need more weight. Alright. Yep, can't do that. That one goes there. Somewhere out here. That's not going to work. Uh-oh. It doesn't even work. It's like a glove. Tight glove. Alright, here we go. Let me put something big on that shelf. Whatever that's going to be, we don't know yet. Something big. About the height of this. Yeah. Do my hammer. Hammer time. Go. Two little wider shelves there. This would fit on that. I don't think it will, but it'd be nice. Ooh, look at that. Perfect fit. Alright. I'm going to shove the hone back in the hole, see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get behind it now, or in front of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, why is it not wanting to slide? It's like a high spot over there or something. Ooh, that hurts. That digs right in my ribs right here. My belt's not protecting me. Alright, I gotta do it again. It felt so good the first time. Okay, should be able to just shove like hell now. Yeah. Damn, looks like it's glue on the damn feet. That thing's heavy. I ain't got oil in it yet. Yeah, that was a good idea. Let's put it somewhere I can't use my hoist to get it in and out. Perfect planning. Alright. This is heavy. There it goes. Found the sweet spot. It moved. Okay. Man, that thing's heavy. I think I want to get it more this way. Pull your pants up. Ugh. Yeah, I wasn't expecting so much room over here. Damn, it's heavy. Yeah, hooked on nails, hooked on everything. Tight squeeze, tight squeeze. I think I'm hitting on something. Quit moving. That moves easy that way. Oh, that's because I'm on the edge of the tile. Right on the edge of the tile. Okay. I think we found our sweet spot. That's a workout. Just think I could be sleeping this time of the day. Look at that. 2:30. The dark 2:30. Okay, so I actually got access to get in here. I was shocked. I didn't think I'd be able to get in here. So this is still not where I want to be, but it's alright. So I got good access back through here. I got access to my shelf over here to get stuff. Unexpected. I was thinking about making a little shelf across here and put all my stones right there, is what I was thinking. So I still might do something to that, but then I couldn't get back there at all if I did that, so maybe not. The other plan was to clear all this shelf off and stick all the manuals in there, which I still will probably do, which means I'll put a shelf from here all the way over to here. Get a big piece of wood. Wood and oil is a good mix. The wood absorbs the honing oil, keeps the mess down. Otherwise, the manuals are all way the hell over here, which is kind of a pain in the ass to get to. So we'll decide. And if I'm going to block this off, I probably will slide this whole thing over this way, and then I'll have more of a gap on this side for no real reason. So, who knows? We'll figure it out. Alright, let's get the tank over here and see what it's going to look like. Gotta move some more heavy stuff. More heavy crap. What a shocker. Motor's in the way. That's in the way. What is not in the way? Oh, that's why it won't move. There's a milk crate. Milk crate be gone. Okay, can I move a heavy motor by myself? Sure, why not? Oh yeah, no problem. You know, it looks heavy. That'll work. Motor's in the way. There we go. Have a little bit of a gap. Wheels are going off the end of the tile. That should work. Alright. It's not exactly how I wanted it, but it's kind of workable. So you take your oily, messy crap and you go from here over to here. It'd be so much nicer if that was way down there, then you could go from here right across and not make a mess. Right here you're going to have a mess going between here and here. You will have a mess on the floor that you'll be tracking around. That's why I wanted to move that cabinet out of the way. So I don't know what we're going to do about that one. That is yet to be determined. I really don't like having this like this. I really want that to go bye-bye. But I don't really have a spot for it if I move it. So I'm not sure what's going to happen right here in the middle of the room right here. So there's nothing worse to do than put a bunch of shelving right in the middle of the room. That's probably what I'll do. So the other option is I put this where this is and put this where that is. And then that kind of makes it a little easier, but I don't know, that's not a very good way of doing stuff like that. So I don't think much of that, but it's an option. Obviously my motor stands in the way. What a shocker. It's got that in the way too. Alright, well, this is all yet to be determined. We'll determine it tomorrow or the next day. Sometime in the near future. We'll be back at this. Meantime, I gotta move my motor over here. I can't get out of here. I'm trapped. There's too much crap in the way. That right there. This out of the way. And back this up a little bit. Move this out of the way. buy it. Fingers. There we go. How about that? Now that's custom. It's in my way. I'm gonna get out of my way for now. Okay. So now we have a shelf unit in my way, a motor in a place where it's like I'm actually going to work on it. That's amazing. I think that'd be a place to put that piece of crap. Of course, it's blocking my stuff over there. But yeah, whatever. Not going to stay there. That ain't going to happen. It just looks good for now. So if I move the file cabinet from there to the front of that, so basically this would slide this way. I still got a little bit of a gap to snake my way through here. That would slide over. And I can put my cleaning tank in front of that tank. I like that idea better. So we still might do that. Oh well, yet to be determined, as I said before. I'll get back on that too. Still have not found my cable loop. I've been through all these boxes. It wasn't on the shelf, you know, I tore everything down either. I was hoping it would have been, but oh well. Alright, well, that's about it for now. 2:30, time to get out of here. Alright, that's it.